Hi, this is Ken from KPC 4 Degrees, and I just want to tell you about one of my favorite tools. This is my Beall Tilt Box. I use this for two reasons. The first reason is I want to make sure that my blade is perpendicular to the tabletop. The second is to measure my 45. First thing I do is I zero my tilt box. Zero it out, the magnet's on the side of the blade, and I turn the blade the right direction until it hits 0. Now it's perpendicular to the table. So I zero my box, put down my blade, and I adjust my blade accordingly. So give a nugget, get a nugget.